cloud? Wait, I think I got the wrong slime. I don't know what this is. Today I am back with a slime video. A slime video? I haven't done a slime video in over a month. And today's video I'm actually shopping undercover. Secret slime shopping, undercover shopping. I'm a secret shopper. And speaking of secret shopping or secret slimes in general, shameless self promo, you can now get my secret slimes at Target. These are basically mystery slimes. So go snatch yours, they are at Target. I have done this video another time and I was actually really surprised with that one. So today I decided to secret shop again. Alex behind the camera. Maybe I should stop saying your name because they're gonna figure out you're the one buying them. So let me show you two other slime shops that I secret shopped from. Today we have Dr. J's Slime Shop and Nicole Jacqueline. These have been sitting for a bit. We've tried our best to keep them cool, but they did melt and I had Squishy Bunny go ahead and reactivate them. Reactivating a slime that is even months old, as long as it hasn't like gone bad with mold, it's always gonna activate the same. So it's not like it's gonna completely change the texture. Starting off with Dr. J's Slime Shop, and I'm so excited because all their slime looks so amazing. Their videos on Instagram are so creative. I love you guys so much if you're watching this. Huge plus, it came with a receipt and it tells me everything that I bought, which is amazing because I be the kind that forgets what I ordered. But also it reminds you what to put in the bag so that you don't mess it up, because it does happen. So we got our slime 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the receipt that shows everything we got. And these look so good. Pizza dough. We got pizza dough. Snack that smiles back. I am way too excited. We got some Airheads. We love Airheads. We got some more candy, some Sour Patch Kids. This is a good amount of candy. He could have just been like, it happens a lot. Ooh, and we got a care sheet. We got some borax powder, instructions and everything. Getting into the slime itself. So they're all nice and packaged. That smells so good. Ooh, this is perfect. It comes with a little pizza charm. So cute. And this smells absolutely amazing. Oh, it smells so good. I feel like this might be sent to like bread. Oh my god, I love this. So at the back of the actual container, it says the type of slime it is and the scent. That is amazing. I love the description. Also has a warning sign on it. Scented sweetbread. I love when it says what's in it, basically, or what type of slime it is, because sometimes it can be a little bit confusing. This is so airy. It's hard to see this color, but it's a nice pale orange. The sizzles are definitely there. This is so soft. Smells incredible. This is Mythical Nebula Snow Fizz Scented Rainbow Sherbet. I love the descriptions. This one looks so pretty. You didn't activate this one? Oh, okay. Because it has so many different... Yes, it's definitely melted. If you're looking at this, like it just looks insanely amazing. Smells insane, and look at this color. It just looks so good. This is the only one out of both packages that was not activated. But I know that this will be amazing. I went ahead and activated this off camera, and of course the colors did mix together, and once you mix it together, this is the finished result. I'd say like purple, pinkish, almost like brown tone, like mauves. And I love Snow Fizz slimes. And I mean the sizzles, girl. This is amazing. I haven't had a Snow Fizz in a while. Favorite slime, period. Favorite slime, period. God, this is so good. If this is not a regular in your shop, it really should be because it's amazing and everybody needs it. This is amazing. I have never shopped from their slime and I am so impressed. And they don't know I bought this. In the cases that I go undercover shopping, it's what you're gonna get. There's no favoritism at all. So this is called Melon Gummy Cubes. It's a jelly cube slime scented melon gummy. So this has jelly cubes. Some female slices in it. That looks like fruit, like melon. Whoa, this is like a thick one. Just love crushing them because it just gives the slime a completely different texture. Can I just say that the slime is like really thick and I am so impressed at how good the quality is. Like I would never think that these were reactivated at all. I am obsessed so far, completely obsessed. Okay, last but not least by Dr. J's Slime Shop, the snack that smiles back. Thick and glossy slime scented cheesecake. This is packed to the top. That smells good. This is thick. Thick, 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 thick. Whoa, this is so good. I mean, it speaks for itself. It doesn't even move. That is a true thickie. Oh my God, it has a charm. How cute is this? It smells really nice. I don't know why. I don't get a cheesecake scent. I get more like of a fruity scent, but it is on point. Amazing. And this color, like, can we just look at this color real quick and just take a moment to admire it? Insanely thick. Look at this. This is so good. This is a thick slime right here. All right, moving on to Nicole Jacqueline slime. Let's see what is inside. We have a slime, another slime, and another slime. Everything bubble wrapped. We have this like bouncy ball that lights up. The baggie that comes with the care sheets, etc. We got a care sheet. We have some candy. We have a Kit Kat. And we have our borax. Oh wow, this is different. This is bigger than the actual like bag itself. It might be a little bit more convenient for the shop to actually use like the smaller bags. First off, we have Twinkie bread yogurt. I tried Twinkie bread. I actually reviewed it in front of her.
And red velvet Twinkie bread.
And red velvet Twinkie bread.
A blue one, wasn't there?
I think that was Sour Patch bread. There's a lot of Twinkie breads, but I haven't played with Twinkie bread yogurt yet. Is that a thing? Twinkie like yogurt bread? It's kind of more like Twinkie bread is known as a texture almost, which is like buttery and stuff, and into a yogurt. Okay. It smells like strawberry with a tad bit of like another sweet vanilla scent in there. From what I've seen in the other Twinkie slimes is they have like a butter twist. It's like a buttery type of slime. In the original Twinkie bread, it's like more buttery and more inflating. This is more like a glossy slime that has like a tad bit of clay, kind of like a sleigh slime. That's exactly what I would say, a sleigh slime. I mean, honestly, it's probably not even meant to be a butter anyway. I really like it. I just don't think it needed like the Twinkie bread aspect to it. It could have just been a yogurt slime. It's not the same texture as Twinkie bread. Like, I mean, it's probably not even meant to be, but like, maybe it was the scent that was a Twinkie. Next up, we have Shamrock Shake Thickie. I'm so excited. Oh, I freaking love thick slime. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that from the very beginning, my favorite slimes were thick and glossy. Thick and glossy, you can't go wrong. It smells like mint. It's really glossy. I would say that this is more of a school glue. I mean, I could definitely hold it with one hand. It just gets a little bit sticky. This is a really good slime for poking, like bubble pops, because it's glossy. Last but definitely not least, Barbie's Cotton Candy Cloud. A cloud slime? Okay, I love cloud slimes. It's another slime that I really like because I hate making cloud slime because it's hard to make, but I love buying cloud slime. Okay, Barbie's Cotton Candy Cloud. I feel like I've seen this slime before, but I don't think it's... I'm not sure if this is a cloud. Cloud? Wait, I think I got the wrong slime. Okay, this is the first time this has ever happened where like ever, where the slime... This cannot be the same slime I got. I don't think this is this slime. I actually cannot find a video of it, but now that I'm looking at this specific slime, I've seen this specific slime before on her stories, and it's not a cloud. I'm not even sure if this slime is actually named with cloud in it. Like, I don't know if it was an accident, maybe it was labeled wrong. Oh, it just sucks that it says cloud, you know, like... And it doesn't have to do with like activating it differently or it sitting a minute, because we have cloud slime at home that has been sitting for months, and every slimer out there or anybody who's ever made cloud slime knows that when you make cloud slime, it sits forever, and it's probably the only type of slime that will not melt on you because it has so much instant snow. So this was never a cloud, and like I'm saying, like I've seen this on her stories on her account before. If I'm being 100% honest, you guys, I hate to say this, and like we've all done honest reviews, you know, like people do honest reviews on me all the time, you know. In fact, this same slime shop has done honest reviews on like Squishy Bunny and has like given constructive criticism, you know, just like normal stuff. I don't know what this is. Okay, jumping in a whole other day, literally in a different outfit, complete different day. We are editing the video right now as we speak, and this is the only way we caught this. I got the wrong sized slime. I actually bought a 32-ounce slime and I got a 6-ounce. This slime was $40. $39, basically $40 that I paid for a 6-ounce that I got in the mail. I feel really bad doing this, you guys, but like I cannot lie to you. Like this is, you're looking at the slime. I did not expect to not only get the wrong size, but in general, the slime itself, you could see it. Like that was like almost $80 for 3 6-ounces. This is not to bash anybody's shop. This is just constructive criticism. I did this undercover to see what would happen, not expecting for something to actually go wrong. Everybody does honest reviews. I've had honest reviews on my products. Honestly though, like if I'm being honest, like I get constructive criticism all the time. It happens. Like you just take it and you're like, okay, cool. Yeah. I'm gonna, you know, implement that into like future business. I really hope nobody gets offended by this. This is the crazy part, you guys. Like, I don't know how this happened. I don't think this is the shop's fault, but somehow, some way, we never got a confirmation email. Never. We couldn't even find it, because once we saw that we had gotten 32 ounce, we were like, wait, hold on. Well, there has to be a way to like reply to her. And I don't think this has anything to do with the shop itself. Something glitched on the website. I don't know. This is awkward, like really awkward. And this is not, like I said, and I'll say it a million times, this is not coming for anybody. This is not coming for anyone. Not saying that, you know, whatever's going on, like mistakes happen, and it just happened to have happened to me. Like they happen, you know? I think this is honestly a mistake that was made by an employee. I just guess I'm just like, overall, I just hope they take this constructive criticism in a positive way and move forward with it. I believe in the shop, and I've had nothing but great experiences in the past shopping as like me. Oh my god. But if I'm honest, I did not have the most positive experience this time around. Did this go completely different than I thought it would? Of course, yeah. And now it's just awkward. What the heck do I do? I guess it's just awkward now. Let's just get back into the video. It smells nice. I've never tried anything like this one before, not gonna lie. I liked both of the shops. I will say that I was a little bit like shocked with some of the slimes. I didn't like really dislike any of them, but maybe one. I mean, I can't lie to you. Like you're looking at the slime, you know? I'm really excited to look into more shops and see what they got, you know? It could be really awkward to do this kind of stuff because I want to like all of them, you know? I think this is really eye-opening and really, you know, it's just getting a perspective of what you would get in the mail. As authentic as it could be a review, honestly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that like button and comment down below. What other slime shops do you think I should secret slime shop on? In my previous undercover slime shopping, I undercover shopped from Slime Obsidian, OG Slimes, and Peachy Babies. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it down below or click right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!